Yeah, guys, let me give you the overview, the build up to this trade. This trade that's about to hit TP now. Let me show you how I was able to process the trade from the beginning. So as you can see, look at this, we were bearish 1 hour USDCHF. So this was the last high that the market created that gave us the structure, and finally market took out this high, this place that I put C. So market finally took out this high. It means that we should be looking for buy momentum. So, and as you can see, market creates structure and did what? Break this high again, this momentum. Market break this high. I don't want to go back into the explanation of this. So this is where I was expecting the market to react, but as you can see, market did not get there and push up. So it means that we have a break of structure here again. So we are expecting the market to respect something here, maybe our POI here, like this, but market failed this POI last because if you look at it, market first mitigate it, reacted, and second time, then the third time market failed. So that gave us the concept that this buying momentum that we were tracing is now giving us sell momentum. So look at it. So we are expecting the market to push up and mitigate and drop, but market only took out inducement and do what? And sell. So which make this level to be valid break of structure to the sell side. So now what are we looking for? After we have break of structure, it means that this high must be protected. This high must be protected, this level. So it means that this high must be protected, and look at it. We actually identify our liquidity, which is the minor one here, and this level rests as the major liquidity for us, this level. So and we wait for the extreme order block. So, and you can see how nicely the market mitigate the extreme order block, the market drops. So the whole process is just not that difficult. Just wait for maybe when market is doing higher high, higher low, and so on. Then one market change character, you wait for this to happen, then market drop. This is break of structure, this is change of character, then like this break of structure. You wait for inducement. Let's say this is your inducement, and you wait for extreme order block to be mitigated, then you wait for it, then you sell from there. So there's high chances that market will take out this low again. So that's just it. As you can see, market is riding towards our TP, although it took some time because it's a swing trading, I guess. So let's watch how it plays out. We're almost at ratio 1 to 3 because we only take 1 to 3. So that's it, guys.